Hello, dear traders. My name is Clara, and these are the main trading ideas for the current trading session. First of all, let's discuss the situation with the dollar against the Canadian currency. The pair is trading at 1.3720. Market participants are analyzing inflation data in Canada. Thus, the consumer price index last month remained at the same level, 1.7% in annual terms. Given that inflation in Canada remains below the target of 2%, the Bank of Canada may agree to an additional rate cut at one of the upcoming meetings. The likelihood of this is also growing against the backdrop of a deteriorating situation on the labor market. In May, unemployment in Canada rose to 7%, which is the highest since 2016. Another factor in the weakness of the Canadian currency is the collapse in the oil market. It is worth noting that Canada is the largest exporter of oil to the United States, so lower crude oil prices, as a rule, negatively affect the value of the Canadian dollar. Given this, the pair retains growth potential. Next, dollar against the franc. The pair is trading at 0.8040. The US dollar's decline continues amid concerns over the future independence of the Federal Reserve System, which in turn is seen as a key factor weighing on the pair. U.S. President Donald Trump has stepped up his criticism of Fed Chairman Jerome Powell for not cutting interest rates, calling him short-sighted. Trump also suggested Powell could be fired and said he is considering several candidates to lead the Fed. Meanwhile, the Swiss National Bank has signaled it does not plan to cut interest rates further, expecting inflation to return to positive territory. And finally, dollar against the Australian currency. The pair is trading at 0.6525. Traders are analyzing the May inflation data in Australia. Thus, the average weighted consumer price index decreased from 2.4% to 2.1% and approached the lower limit of the Reserve Bank of Australia's target range of 2 to 3%. Now, experts are almost completely confident that the regulator will cut the interest rate by 25 basis points at the next meeting in July. The pair may also be pressured by increased trade uncertainty against the background of the fact that Australia has still not been able to conclude a full-fledged trade deal with the United States. So, these are the main trading ideas for now. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.